What's up, fellas? Today I'm going to be milling 2x6s with the trees that were taken down from the house. The log that's on here is sugar maple, I believe, or no, this is a Norway maple. So I'm going to use the 2x6s for building the kiln. As the day progresses, it starts raining, so I'm gonna mill a little bit. No intro, wasting time here, and yeah, really sucks. I had a lot to do today, but yeah, and of course right now it starts raining. You guys got to see this. I'm almost ashamed at myself for turning these into 2x4s. This is just, you got to see it. I know Norway maple is a invasive species, but it produces some beautiful wood. Don't you agree? It looks like it's not straight, but it is. So I was going to crank the saw carriage up and down, and it started to get really tough, which I was kind of concerned about. I had issues with the lifting struts. Those are replaced and it's been working great. Now I just milled this Norway maple, and this sawdust is very fine. So the chain was consumed with sawdust. I'm wondering what, maybe the sawdust is getting inside the chain. I mean, part of it is clean, part of it is really, I don't know, saturated with sawdust. That may not be the correct word to use, but I've never opened this up and cleaned this out, so I'm wondering if maybe the issue lies inside here, inside the gearing. So all right, I mean, there's a little bit there, but it's not terrible. Got my trusty old wire brush from Harbor Freight. Now again, I haven't read the manual, so could be necessary to clean this periodically. Jarhead says to you know, clean the mill out with air, which I just did my chainsaw. I spray the chain with trans oil. See if I can show you this here. I've never greased that fitting, but I'm not sure if that would cause this to be like, see, that's, now it's like I got really, oh, I'm all the way at the top. Okay. All right, so it got a little bit tougher right there. Oh, we're at the bottom. Okay, so I guess I cleared it out. See right there, it's tough. To come back out of it, it's really tough. And it's the dirtiest part of the chain right there. I guess I gotta be better at lubricating the entire chain and not just from the top down. Yeah, all right, so seems like it's working a little bit better now. Just gotta be better at lubricating this chain due to the sawdust. Okay. Boys, look at the stress on that log. From what I understand, the reason why it splits like that is because the tree was under stress.